tỏ cưng rồi đi lờ xử lý cho nó cho chữ cho thơ cho sai sửa pe luôn tu cho vì mua lỡ cho pe sửa thế thì mua nó mua hào chỉ cái nó cái nhà rong lo cho lúc xong nó cho nên là pe tu special speaker tòng đây nó chứ xem giờ pe tu phát thanh nhớ trong the Mount Carolina xử lý phát thanh tổng sự. Our next special speaker today is President of the Mount Carolina tổng sự mùa các nhóc ở từ thoát cho con lò bên bên tay còn nó drop let's give hand together please.
Good morning. Happy New Year. Senator Richard Byrd, Regional Representative George Ward, Mayor Pro Tem Heng Guest, Jatalao, President of the Hmong United Association, Kham Muo, President of the Hmong American Association in South Carolina, Chief Tom Atkins of the Police Department, Mr. Gary Price of Hickory American Legion Fairground, Pastor Neng Wava of the First Hmong United Methodist Church, leader of the Hmong community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dong Sim Moore. I would like to welcome you all to our 14th annual Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year celebration. Thank you so much for taking the time of your busy schedule to celebrate this important day with us. In the old days, Hmong people would farm continuously on a daily basis for dawn to dusk. Each family worked hard all year round in order to grow and provide enough food for the family. Toward the end of the harvest season, usually around November to December, Hmong people would take the break from work and celebrate the New Year together. Hmong New Year is a time for celebration and courtship, where family and friends would spend time together. Young men and young women who have been busy throughout the year could finally meet one another and socialize through traditional boat tossing game. Folk songs are also sung to bring the good luck to the new year. By celebrating the Hmong New Year, we are keeping our Hmong cultural tradition alive for many generations. Once again, I would like to thank you all for coming to participating in the Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year celebration. I would like to thank my staff, the Hmong community, vendors, volunteers, and sport participants for your generous support during the past New Year celebration. Without your help and participation, the Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year would have not been possible. Thank you so much for your continued support year after year. I would also like to thank all of our honored guest speaker for attending this celebration and becoming a part of our Hmong community. Thank you. Nhớ rồi trong chia, trong nhà trong gì, trong nó trong chữ, trong cứ tin anh cha phong dư, sẽ đợi số lần sẽ tu, chia cho tôi đây tôi dễ tua. Cú giờ trong sự mùa, tuổi thơ chữ để cùng hậu Hmong Carolinas, rồi lưỡi thơ chữ số trả lâu. Trong chia tại tòa này sẽ số lần sẽ tu, tôi này chừng, chỉ nên lúc chơi luyện dùng. Nơi lưu siêu môn nông dị tuần rồi bé khi bé cùng hậu Hmong Carolinas lưu New Year lưu nọ xong chia có sẽ đợi tàu chạy cái nó cá nhân rồng đen chia cả tàu hậu cá chia cả tàu nó có bê mông bê sẽ đợi muốn nó chỉ chăm hậu chỉ kinh còn nhau cả xe lù đâu đối xong chia và chờ nhau rồng xong chia cũng giờ trong sự mùa
trường dân trung